the guy on the right, getting on the freeway. I slowed down. He never sped up. So now I'm being forced to move over to let him in. Put my signal on, move over. Because as you can see, he would have ended up right next to me. As soon as I can, I go back to my lane. And all is well, right? Well, at least that's what I thought. Until I hear someone honking. This guy right here, flipping me off as he's passing by. It happens a lot, so I don't mind. I don't pay attention to him until he starts doing this. Okay, so I move over. I don't want any part of that. Go. But no, that wasn't enough. Guess what? Look at this guy. At this point, all my bells and whistles in the truck start going off. I slow down as much as I can. I move over, try to avoid the situation. But no, that wasn't enough for me. He flips me off again. And then he pulls his phone, points at his phone, you see, both hands off out of the cab, points at his phone. I don't know what he's doing. I can't move back to the right because I have someone on my right. So we slow down. You see, everyone else is going way faster than us. As soon as I can, I go back to the right lane, slowing down again. And I'm like, okay, so now I'm expecting him to cut me off again. And I don't even have anywhere to go. As you can see, there's no shoulder. So he slows down. I see him recording me, taking pictures of me, taking pictures of my truck, of my trailer. Yep. He's still behind me after all this time, riding my butt, flashing his lights. I don't know what he was expecting me to do, but my exit is coming up. And I'm just thinking, is this guy gonna follow me to my destination?
Check this out. Check this. This is really bad. I don't know what was it like an earthquake here? I'm gonna have to check the news. I don't know what was going on here. Through Julia, Illinois, this is what I see, a pickup truck, and I believe that's a car following him too close. At least that's what it looks like to me. Both are wrong. Pickup truck slams on the brakes. I didn't know it's gonna be this bad. I thought, I could still go 65. Before I know it, I got no choice. Either smack him in the back or take the shoulder. I took a safer option. We take the shoulder. Check out the race, guys. Pickup truck, Big Daddy, and the car to the right, Big Daddy. I'm telling you guys, these guys are big shots. Come here.
thinking of? What are you thinking about doing? You
Now, we wish to get into the house, but we have no key. Is it not so? I nodded. Now, suppose that you were, in truth, the owner of that house, and could not still get in, and think there was to you no conscience of the housebreaker. What would you do? I should get a respectable locksmith and set him to work.